sunshine with the air conditioner on.
Today's ride, this is the route we took. We're down here at Williston at the Crossing, the RV resort. We went up 441 and we met over here at Hitchcock's Market in Newberry. After we got together from there, we went on up to High Springs and we took, I think it was 138 Rum Road or something. And we just had a nice little ride, got on 129. As soon as we got there, made a left. And there's the restaurants down a little dirt road. And then we took just a few little country roads back. And then most of the group ended up leaving. And there was just a couple of us that ended up going back. And we took 340 and then we headed on back to the Crossing. We all met up, like I said, over in Newberry, and we're by Hitchcock's Grocery and Dairy Queen, the gas station. There was about 13 of us, and it was great seeing a lot of our buddies we haven't seen in a while. And from here, it was on over to Sandy Point. I've mentioned, especially on a Facebook page, we do the photo album. This is the dirt road I'm talking about, and it's really hard packed. I want to say it's lime rock maybe, but it isn't a bad road at all for a motorcycle. This place is neat. Now, you can see the parking lot. It's pretty much gravel too, but it again is pretty much hard packed. No one had any issues. And here's our group, and now it's time to do a little bit of exploring of this place. Inside, very roomy. You got a deck that you can sit out there at the deck and overlook the river right there, the Santa Fe River. It is nice and enjoyable, and you can bring a big group, but I gotta say it did take a little while to get our food, but it's definitely a place to check out. We ended up giving Angel a little flying time, and this is Angel taking off, and it kind of gives you that old Florida look. I love it with the cypress and all, but there's the river, and we're just letting Angel cut loose, and we'll let it just show you some video of the place. One thing nice about Sandy Point is you get here by motorcycle, you get here by car, you get here by boat, jet skis. I mean, its location is great, and like the view right here, you can see a lot of people got here with their jet skis. Really nice. And at the same time, this place is also a little RV park. I didn't go through to check that portion out that much. You might find a glimpse or two of it here, but one thing I always thought was pretty cool, I love seeing these old little fishing skiffs, aluminum boats or whatever up on the bank there. Just makes it even more old Florida to me. Now, And Sandy Point is located, I guess the address is probably Branford, because it's only about 3 miles from town, and just a great location. Here's a better view where you can see the deck a little bit better, what it looks like. And I gotta say, when we were there, the service was great, people were friendly. Now, me and Marcia, we had got the Philly sandwich, and we were a little disappointed in it, but at the same time, all our buddies got a variety of food, and they were all happy. So I'll just try something else, because I will be back to this place. You need to check it out. And look at it. Here it is, and you can see the Santa Fe River behind it. This is a cool looking place. We will be back. Time for us to start heading back home. Some ended up following Tom, and they were catching the last bit of the Gator game, whereas with me and Marcia, when we left, we ended up having, I'd say, 2 or 3 miles of some neat little country roads that we love these little old country roads. I mean, they're little ones. You're not going to do more than 35 miles an hour on most of these, but I love seeing the old farmland. I love seeing old Florida. And then it was one last look at the Santa Fe River right here. Now we're heading on back to Williston Crossing. And as we get there, we're listening to the ball game, the Gators, on our radio. And slowly, as we get closer to Williston, we have more and more leaving us, heading to their home. And at the very end, we'll pass our buddies that left earlier. They're over here at this one bar watching the Gator game. Until next time, we'll see you guys on the road.